Hello Caliper King Nation, thanks for joining us at the Caliper King channel. I'm your host Thanasi. We're going to go over 6 caliper types. But before we get into that, like and subscribe, leave a comment down below. So here we go. Basic caliper type number 1, the wedge slider type. One of the first calipers, served its purpose. So this would wedge with a bracket or without a bracket onto the knuckle, and the piston would be inboard. Basic caliper type number 2, the pin slider type. So there was pins riding through the casting, but they were insulated with a rubber bushing. Very simple, but reliable type of braking. Basic caliper type number 3, the fixed mount, my favorite. Acted like a clamshell. These can go all the way up to a 12 piston unit. Best part about these calipers, Toyota was using this from the late 80s. In 2021, GM took the same route. The basic caliper type number 4, the yoke mount, served its purpose for Porsche, Saab, a lot of the European cars. Pretty much 8-year type of caliper. But now, on to our 5th basic caliper type. This is called the lever actuated parking brake type. When you pull your e-brake, it's spring loaded and the piston actuates out. Basic caliper type number 6, our last one. Electronically actuated safety brake. There was a motor built on top of the caliper housing. The motor would get the signal from your either park or your parking brake button, send a signal here, and then all of a sudden the motor would turn out and stop once it felt tension. Thank you for watching my video on the basic caliper types. I'm Thanasi, the Caliper King, and brake on.